morning. I am with day 3, and my brother-in-law just dropped me down to the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve. So look it up, there's loads of birds here. So I'm going and have a look. I don't know what time it is, it's like just before 8 in the morning anyway. So I have my 100 to 400 with me. I know there's pelicans and egrets and all sorts here, so we'll see what we can get. So you might see already, there's an egret. There's another egret in there. Some other birds, I don't know what they are yet. Some pelicans over there. So yeah, we're having a lucky see. Lots of birds here. Not bright enough just yet, but really good place. Lots of pelicans, lots of egrets, and there's some other birds. I'm not quite sure what they are yet, so I'm gonna have to look them up. Yes, there's loads of wildlife down here. Still a bit dull to get some pictures, but I'm brightening up now in a bit. I got a couple. There's plenty down here to see. GoPro doesn't zoom in enough. I'll try with my other camera to get some video, but I didn't bring my bipod. There's a big cat going by. Look at the size of the place. So it's still very dark, it's not getting very bright for LA. This place is huge. You can see like little heads of egrets and American White Pelicans. Oh, there's something diving over there. You definitely can't see it on the GoPro. You definitely can't see it on the GoPro. Goes all the way up from here. Over there, and another section over there. So it's big. So you can see the sky. I thought the clouds might burn off in a bit, but LA is about to be hit with torrential rain for the next 2 or 3 days for Christmas. So I don't think we're going to be that lucky. Hopefully in the next 20 minutes the clouds burn off a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's a little whirlpool. If you got stuck in that, you are gone. You're pumping from one lake. There's the other lake over here. Morning. These two guys are just chilling there beside me, which is weird. Yeah, it looks like they're pumping from one lake into the other lake. that you squeaking? Yeah? Squeaking again? No? I don't know if he's got something stuck in his mouth. I might have to zoom in and see. I think he's got something stuck in his throat. Strange. And as for that seagull, God knows, he's just looking to rob me. Unfortunately, you can hear the long-billed curlew, the American one, but I cannot get close enough to get a proper picture. There's a whole sandbank of them there. Not that that's the collective term for a curlew, but they're just standing there. Oh my God, there was one right there. Okay, let's try to get this fella. He's right beside us. I think I got the curlew there at the end. Right, I'm on my way back out here now. Went for to visit. Pleasantly surprised with all the birds that were here.